everyone, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer palette. I will be doing a dramatic bold cut crease today, so I hope you enjoy. The first shade I am using is the shade called Black Rainbow. I am taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills dual-ended brush and I am using the flat side of the brush. I am going to create an outline above my crease. I'm going to cut my crease. Now I'm going to use this shade called China White. I'm taking the shade Black Rainbow again, and I'm just lining above here where I lost some of the black eyeshadow. I'm using a defined pencil brush for this. Now I'm taking this gold foiled shadow. I'm going to do an outline with this gold eyeshadow. I'm going to clean up below the gold so it's more of a clean straight line. So now I'm going to take some of the extra base. I'm just going to cover that part up because I'm going to add more color there. So that's how it looks so far. I'm going to use this shade Expensive. I'm going to press down that blue shadow wherever I just concealed the area. I'm taking the shade Black Rainbow. Below the shade Expensive, this blue shadow, I'm going to line with the black eyeshadow. I'm going to take this gold foiled shadow again, putting this on the inner corner. I'm taking the shade Black Rainbow again. I'm taking that gold foiled eyeshadow and just placing it in my tear ducts. And the last lash shade I'm using is the shade called Princess, and I will put that on my brow bone and inner corners. For lashes, I'm using the Salon Perfect Wispies in number 614. So this is how my look turned out using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer palette, and I wanted to do a very bold and dramatic cut crease look, and I do have this look posted on my Instagram. I have the majority of all of my makeup looks on my Instagram and Twitter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.